Welcome to this Learn the Tech channel, and basically in this Tech for Everyone channel we will talk and have several videos coming up of iOS 13. Things you can do, things you can change. This video is how do you enable the famous dark mode in iOS 13. iOS 13 is the first version of the operating system for Apple iPads and iPhones to actually feature a system-wide dark mode. Before it was app by app. Now it's system-wide. All you need to do, go into your settings app. In here you will actually have display and brightness. Once you press there, you will see that at the top it says light or dark. Simply choose the theme that you want to have and it's going to work. That mode is effective everywhere as soon as you do this. That means all the settings here are now in dark mode, and every app that you have on your phone that can support dark mode will actually be in this mode. So this also is another interesting aspect to it. It will have you save battery, because dark mode will not light all the little pixels that basically are not needed. So you actually will have, and many tests have shown that better battery life comes with this. So once again, how do you go there? Simply go to your settings app in iOS 13, go into display and brightness, and here you choose dark or light depending on what you want to have, and it's as easy as that on iOS 13. This works on every device that has iOS 13, which is iPhone 6s and later, and of course on iPad OS or iPad systems it also works. So check it out. It's a cool feature, and I'm sure that your eyes will actually thank you. It's one of my favorite modes, even on Android. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.